Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a new thing that I'm doing. So I've kind of already been doing this to a degree, but I'm going to make it kind of more formal now. It's going to be Quick Tip Tuesdays. Not to be confused with just the Tip Tuesdays. Just for a second, just to see how it... Anyway, never mind. If at some point my tips get better, maybe we will call it Top Tip Tuesdays. But for now, Quick Tip Tuesdays, the idea is that these are going to be shorter videos, very brief demonstrations, if any, and I'm going to give you guys quick tips. Fear not, we will still have our full tutorial Fridays, which are not and will never actually be called that, but Fridays will still be the full video, the long tutorial style, everything that I can pack into it for your information. But the idea on Tuesday is going to be to give you some information quickly that you can put to use immediately if you want to. Real quick, I had basically 3 motivations for this. One, Quick Tip Tuesday. Sounds cool, even though it's bloody impossible to say, and I'm sure I'm going to screw it up most of the time. 2, I get the not so occasional complaint that I talk too much and my videos are too long, so I figured it would be cool to have something quicker that you guys can take in, rapidly in the middle of the week, and also that it'll be easier for you to watch the whole thing. And 3, I have a job that I work at more than full time, you might say, which is fine because I love that job, but it is a lot when I combine that with this, which I also love. And when it comes to midweek, sometimes it's a little different. I'm calling Tuesday midweek, but you know what I mean. It's a little difficult to balance both sometimes, so I'm just making it a little bit easier on myself by creating a video on Tuesdays that's going to take less time for me to make and hopefully still allow me to give you guys good content and good value. So that's it guys, that's the gist of it. Episode 1 of Quick Tip Tuesday will be out tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so that you can check out the tips. And I will see you next time. Have a good one. I really don't have anything to put as like an outro for this. I didn't do anything. So, bye.